So unless you have a much better stocked music store than we have in our area, chances are the first you're going to see of your Merlin is a box like this. Now I ordered mine from Sweetwater, wonderful company. They took my order and I had a phone call from them before I even had my credit card put away, asking what I was going to do with the instrument, how I'd picked them for my dealer, and was there anything else they could do for me. And they shipped it really fast. It came. Really well packed. Nice layers of bubble wrap. And the Merlin itself. And I ordered the gig bag because of course you gotta have a gig bag. And it came with a little Merlin handbook, a catalog from Sweetwater, and a thank you card from Sweetwater, and a little sticker, which I guess you would put on your gig bag. So, oh, and a bag of candy. Nice gift from Sweetwater. We'll save that for later. So, let's see what we have here. Oh, it's a long sliding thing. And here's the instrument itself. Beautiful. This is the mahogany top one. They make a spruce one, which is a little brighter. I like the more mellow sound of the mahogany top. I think I will. And there you go. Again, since chances are you ordered this sight unseen, as I did, the first thing you're going to want to do is just check it out. See if everything looks right, if it's pleasing to you. It's pretty, certainly a nice looking instrument, especially with this mahogany top. So I'm going to check to make sure all the seams are tight. No rough edges. A little rough in there, maybe, but not bad. Soundboard feels good. The fret neck feels good. Soundboard also feels good. There's a nice resonance to it. Now this is what they call a straight through neck. So it's one piece of wood that runs from here all the way up. And it's got two laminated sections on the back here. You can see that. And then the top is laminated on. The top is also a solid piece of wood. So let's see if we can get this in tune.